Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Matic. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to add music to Instagram notes. For that, you need to open Instagram application. Make sure to sign in on your Instagram. Then tap on the upper right corner message icon. When you reach on this message page, you can see your note on the upper left corner. Tap on it. So now I have already added a note previously, so in order to add new note you can tap on leave a new note option. Tap on it and now you can add a note here. After you have written a text on this note, here you can see the music button. Tap on it. On this page, you can search any music you'd like to add on your note. So in order to choose the music, you can simply choose the music from this list, or there is the search bar on the top of the screen and you can add a text there and search the music you'd like to add. Simply tap on it. After you have chosen the music, you can see the tick mark which is highlighted on blue on color. Simply tap on it in order to add music on your note. After you have added the music, now you can tap on the share button which is at the upper right corner. But before that, on the bottom of the screen you can see share with followers you follow back. Simply tap on it. So below that you can see other option also, which is close friends. You can either share with followers you follow back or the close friends you would like to. After you have chosen, you can tap on the done option. Now tap on share at the upper right corner. So you have already added music to your Instagram note. If you want to see how does it look like, then you can simply tap on your note again. So this is how your music on your note will be appeared. So in this way you can easily add music to your Instagram note. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.